Late systolic murmur. A late systolic murmur begins in the latter half of systole, peaks in the later third of systole, and extends to the second sound. It is a modified regurgitant murmur with a backward flow through an incompetent valve, usually the mitral valve. It is commonly heard in mitral valve prolapse and is usually high in frequency, blowing in quality, and heard best with the diaphragm at the apex. It may radiate to the axilla or left sternal border. The following example will display such a late systolic murmur. The murmur will be added and then removed from the cycle.